Simplifying English. The magic of if in present simple tense. Hello learners. Welcome back to another video in our series, Learning English, Conversational English, Making Requests and Offers, Indirect Requests and Offers. Today we're diving into the realm of if statements, specifically forming them with the present simple tense for indirect offers. This lesson is designed to help you soften your language, making your offers more polite and diplomatic. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what an if statement is. In English, an if statement is a conditional statement that creates a hypothetical scenario. It consists of two parts: a condition, the if part, and a result. In our context of indirect offers, we use if statements to present a potential action that we can do for someone else, usually making the scenario more polite and less direct. Now that we understand if statements, let's explore how to use them with the present simple tense. The structure we will use is if you want, need, etc., I can, will. Here are a few examples to illustrate this. 1. If you need a pen, I have one right here. 2. If you're hungry, I can make some sandwiches. 3. If you want to learn more, I can lend you this book. As you can see, these statements create an offer for someone in a very polite and indirect way. It's time to practice. Write down your own if statements using the present simple tense. Think about various scenarios where you could offer help, advice, or an object to someone. Remember, the formula is if you want, need, I can, will. And that's it. You've just learned how to use if statements in the present simple tense for making indirect offers. This new skill will help you communicate more tactfully and politely in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that these kinds of phrases come naturally to you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth English language learning videos. Happy learning!